Seatbelt! Seatbelt on! Put seatbelt on!
Don't hit me!
Put seatbelt on!
It's too hot!
Put seatbelt on! My name's Tannah. I make daily vlogs. Let's do it.
Be number one!
And just remember, be yourself. What movie is that from?
Number 5?
Fail. Guys, what movie is that from?
Kermit.
It's Tight-Ass Tuesday, guys. If you're not in Australia, I don't know if you have this, but on a certain day of the week here, on Tuesday, cinema tickets are only $11. So yeah, we call it Tight-Ass Tuesday, and we're going to see Sherlock, finally.
Yeah, there's like 15 people in there.
15 people in there? They gave us allocated seating, but Mum just scoped it out. So we're going to sit wherever the hell we want. But yeah, Tight-Ass Tuesday, going to see this finally. We're supposed to do a double feature, but the ladies decided to be lazy and take all day to get ready.
I was working, thank you very much.
Yeah, working and drinking that coffee. You can't see it, but the cinema is mostly empty.
No one.
It's 3D.
Good Lord. I'll never let go. I'll never let go. Then she lets him go.
Move, bitch. I want to live.
Magic! Oh. Is this too? That's a bill. Piece of shit. MC, you are late. Nathan. Nathan. Look at this fatty. Come check out Cleo. His fat legs hanging out to the side.
What's she doing?
Yeah, fat legs hanging outside.
Oh, don't be mean. She's enjoying the ambiance.
Cleo!
She's been hot all day.
Fat bum!
Stop being mean to her.
Holy crap, holy. 35-degree weather, and I decided to make bolognese sauce and pasta and smart decisions around here. Look, I'm even making my own bloody tomatoes. No canned tomatoes tonight, seeding my own. Look at that. That is a thing of beauty. Yummy. Ah, time to get Bert out. If anybody gets that joke, then you're either cultured in music or you're old, like I am. It's the things I have to do for this family. Make pasta by hand. 85-degree temperatures. Look how much I'm sweating. God. Okay, ready?
Yeah,
It's the first time I've used this, I think. Where's the thingy? Oh, it's on that side. Why is it on that side?
Because it's not a lefty.
That's alright. Ready? Got fettuccine? What fettuccine? Alright, I need you to catch. Otherwise it's going to end up on the floor. Alright, ready?
Yeah. Woo! Squiggly! Cool! That's awesome. Just looks like hair, sort of. Yeah, it looks like the hair in the Muppet in the van.
Yeah.
That's so cool. And you got to hang it on the professional Italian pasta rack.
Spread it out, otherwise it will stick.
Yeah, baby, spread it.
That's disgusting, Agnes.
That's sexist.
Kids of today. It's kids of today. Oh, help, I put it in the right hole.
Mom. What?
It's like we need it thicker.
Why is so much sexual innuendo today?
What? We're on this side.
Oh, I'm on the wrong side.
Stupid bitch. Alright, cut it. Cut it! Oh, it did dry well. Watch this, guys. Go, go, go. Cool. I lost a bit. No. So yeah, it is convenient to like buy it packaged, but all it is flour, salt, and eggs. You can make your own pasta very easily. Don't even need a machine to do it. Rolling pin. Oh, nearly broke it. Yeah, just straight in the water. Only takes a couple of minutes. You're basically just waiting for the egg to cook out. And that's it. How easy is that? I think that's pretty easy. Is it enough? I don't know. I don't know. Where's my fork? Where's my fork? It's just a vision of you, electric blue. I can see every time I see it through me. It's all over you, electric blue. Oh yeah. Give me some of the cheese.
Yummy.
Oh.
Handmade pasta.
Love that cheese.
I love the cheese.
Okay, there you go. It's only 10 o'clock at night. It's too hot to cook otherwise.
I know. That's pretty good.
Thanks.
It's great.
What's that? I see you gotta desecrate my pasta with wine.
Accompaniment.
Yeah, accompaniment is how would you call it?
Yeah.
Check this out. I was about to do my perla bead thing, and I was clearing off my desk of all the crap from the week, and look! Grasshopper! Oh, where you going? Where'd you go? Oh, I lost ya! Oh, there you are. Come on, bud. Come on. Oh! Oh, grasshopper. Come on, back outside. Go. Be free. Oh, just flew right in my face. Son of a bitch. Where'd he go? Oh, what? Check it out, I got a friend.
Hey?
I got a friend.
In the US every year we consume 100,000
What
pounds
was
of
that?
Grasshopper.
Really?
Yeah.
Where'd it come from?
He came from my window. Oh,
Oh,
there he is. Where'd he go? Oh, stop jumping. Jump up, and get down. Jump around. Come on. I'm just trying to get you outside. Can you open the wire door? Oh. Oh, he landed on me again. Quick, 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 quick. Oh. There we go, he's out. I heard him bang off my hand. Tannah! I am one with nature.
Grasshopper saver.
Oh, grasshopper. Oh, grasshopper. Perla beaches day. Kermit the frog here. Kermit. How cool is that? That looks so good. Look at that. I think that's one of the best ones I've made so far. That's fantastic. I'm so happy with it. Pretty have to give it away. Yeah. How cool. Oh my god, shoot me now. 380 days of daily vlogs, and I finally stuffed up. The video was nearly uploaded, had 3 minutes to go. I was filling out the information and doing all the tags and things like that, and just watching through the video to make sure it was okay before it processed, and yeah, 1.5 minutes of no audio in the video. What a dickhead. So it is now 1:08 AM. It is re-rendering. Thank God it was only a short vlog today, so it's only got 15 minutes to go. And then I get to re-upload it. But the worst thing is that I still haven't done the Perla bead video yet. So I got to render that, put it together, render it, upload that one. So I'll be in bed by about 3:30, I reckon. Tired Tannah is tired. 2 minutes remaining. There's the video. It's processing as it's going as well, which is a rarity. Oh my god, what's the time? 3:14 AM. A little bit ahead of schedule. Oh my god. As I said before, Tannah is tired. Like my hair, it's got like the whoop thing happening. Stylish. Okay, I'm going to bed. This is the effort that I go through for you guys, so go and check out my Kermit the Frog video on Tannah Gaming. You don't have to enter to win it, just go check it out, because yeah, it's pretty cool. Honestly, it's my favourite perler bead thing that I've made yet. So yeah, go check it out. Good night guys. See you tomorrow. Bye.